Well, good morning. Here we are in Embsay near Skipton, and today we've got a patio clean. It's looking a bit grim, to be honest with you. It's really dirty. Let's have a quick look. Indian Sandstone, very green, incredibly slippery. Lots of moss, lots of algae, lots of lichen, lots of furniture, and lots of pots to move. So there's so much stuff here, pots and so on, and furniture. I'll divide the area into two halves. Do one half, move everything across, and then do the other half. So there's a lot to do. Let's get started. So as we can see, we've got a big problem with drainage here. The trouble is there's nowhere easy to divert the water to. I'll give it a rinse off first and then see how big a problem we're left with. Drainage continues to be a problem. We're going to lift the foul water manhole, see if we can send it down there. So I've got this half rinsed off now. There's an awful lot of black lichen, as you would expect, especially over in that shady corner there. Let's take a closer look. We'll look at these slabs, especially this really nice colourful one. This is as bad as it gets, really. So what I'll do is I'll get some product down here, start dissolving this away. And whilst that's doing its work, I can be getting on with the other half of the patio. So I've completed this half now, rinsed it down. Whichever builder laid this patio needs to go back to technical college. Well, he didn't go to college. That builder should be in jail. He doesn't know what he's doing. Terrible drainage, puddles everywhere. Anyway, rant over. We need to get some more product down here, lots of black lichen again. But before I do that, I'm just going to give this table a quick going over. Well, the table's looking a little bit better now. Still quite dark in colour though. I'm going to put some oxalic acid on it, which is a wood brightener. Prepare to be amazed. I'm just going to leave the camera on, go and have a sandwich, and watch and enjoy. Well, hold on. This was a tough job. Lots of lichen, really dirty, a lot of moss, difficult drainage. But anyway, it's looking great. So before I pack up, let's just have a quick look at some of those trouble spots from earlier on. Well, firstly, I mean, all of this wall was covered in moss. We've pretty much got rid of that. We've managed to blast out these weeds. This bottom area here was absolutely filthy. I haven't managed to get all of the black spot out of these lighter flags. It's a characteristic of this particular stone. The lichens get right into the stone, and it can be difficult to remove. But it's a huge improvement, isn't it, to where it was before. This bottom corner here as well. Look, just a lot of dirt. Keen gardeners, whenever you're dealing with gardeners, there's always a lot of soil. The soil gets into the stone, your moulds and your lichens follow, and it becomes a bit of a mess, difficult to clean. And last thing we did, get the table a bit of a clean off. It's looking a lot better now than it was. Okay, I'm running a bit late for my next job in Addingham, so we better get going.